Morelia boeleni is a species of python, a nonvenomous snake in the family Pythonidae. The species is endemic to the mountains of New Guinea. No subspecies are currently recognized. The specific name, boeleni, is in honor of K.W.J. Boelen, M.D., who collected the holotype specimen. In M. boeleni adults, the upperside color pattern is dark bluish-black or purplish-black, and the anterior part of the underside is white to pale yellow. The white extends up the flanks as a series of streaks. The upper and lower lips are also patterned with pale or whitish labial scales. The black portions are commonly iridescent with an oil slick-like sheen. The body is stocky and the head large. Neonates are predominantly red upon emerging from the egg. Gradual black pigmentation presents itself as the neonate grows and sheds. Ontogenetic color charge begins as the juvenile snake approaches 1 meter, 39 in length. Adults may be up to 3 meters, 9.8 feet, in total length, including tail. The unmistakable and famed Boelen's python receives the highest legal protection possible in Papua New Guinea. It is currently listed on CITES Appendix 2. Locally, M. boeleni is also known as the blue maran or papaground. Within Indonesia, it has several names depending on which language is used. Bahasa Indonesia, ular hitam, ular sangka bulan, piton hitam, and ular boeleni. M. boeleni is found in Indonesia, Western New Guinea in the Whistle Lakes region, and Papua New Guinea, the provinces of Eastern Highlands, Central and Morobe, and Goodenough Island. The type locality given is Demir 56S, 136 degrees, 18 E, Whistle Lakes, Dutch New Guinea, about 1,750 meters, 5,700 feet, above sea level, Western New Guinea, Indonesia. The species inhabits forested montane regions of over 1,000 meters, 3,300 feet, elevation. It is generally encountered on the forest floor, but is also reckoned to be an able climber. The diet of M. boeleni consists of mammals, lizards, and birds. M. boeleni is considered to be highly desirable by private keepers due to its beauty, but is also exceptionally rare in collections. Although captive-born snakes are fairly hardy in captivity, wild-caught individuals are considerably more difficult to keep successfully. Captive breeding is exceedingly rare, and the conditions necessary are still unclear.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button below so you don't miss the next video that comes out. Thank you.